أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Today we are going to talk about which religion is truth and what is the proof. For example, Jesus, when he came here, he came with a miracle. The people which cannot see, they let them see by the permission of God. People which die, they came back by the permission of God. We don't see anything, we didn't see anything, but we believe because it's written in the Quran. Moses, for example, peace be upon him, when he came here, he makes the sea in two pieces with the bottom. We didn't see anything too, but we believe because it's written in the Quran. But Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his miracle is the Quran. And for example, till right now there is more than 1,000 information of modern science. We discovered was discovered with modern science, was written in the Quran long time ago. For example, in your stomach you have only in your belly you have only one stomach, but the bee, she got two stomachs. One is for eating, digesting, one is for producing the honey. This information we only know it new with the modern science, and this is written in the Quran. The explanation what's written is that God, he let out the honey from the stomach of the bee. The explanation. For example, Professor Armstrong from USA was comparing the Quran with the modern science about the iron. Where is coming the iron? Before we think that the iron is coming from Earth because it's heavy, but now we know that to make one atom of the iron it needs 4 times the energy of all the system solar. So we know that the atom is not coming from Earth, it's coming from the stars by high temperature, coming here in another form. So God said in the Quran, we sent down the iron. So it's not so we sent down the iron. So the iron is coming from up. It's not coming from down. For example, the Prophet of Germany, he converted to Islam because of one letter in the Quran about the spider. Who's making the web of the spider, the female or the male? It is the female, not the male. Even in some groups of spiders, the female is helping. So this information also we have it in the Quran. So there is more than 1,000 information written in the Quran, proves with modern science. There's another book in France called the Bible, Quran, and Modern Science. This book took the first prize of gold in France. It was in 1993 in its 15th edition. In this book, Professor Maurice Bucaille, he compared the Quran and the Bible with the modern science, and he shows that there is a lot of mistakes of the Bible with the modern science, but the Quran did not know one mistake. And this proves that the words of God in the Evangel and in the Torah, people change some words of God inside. That's what Muslims also believe. For example, in the Quran, it is written that in the Bible, it's written that the sun and the moon both are lights. It's true, but here the Quran is more details in the Quran, that the explanation that the sun is the source of the light and the moon is the reflection. And that's what also modern science prove it now.